Hey, this is Mary from Kamaj Fiber Arts, and I just wanted to show you the auto winder from Level Wind Systems. Check out this flyer. This is the bulky flyer for the Kromsky Sonata. Look at this bobbin. This bobbin is so, look how full I got it. This is a very coarse fiber. It's a rug grade, so that's why it's so hairy, but I wanted to spin up a quick bobbin actually, so I did it thick because I wanted to show you how much yarn I could get onto this bobbin. But this is the cool thing about this auto winder, is there's a little toggle switch on it that you turn on, and watch this. That's going to move. So this is your yarn guide. So the yarn comes through here, through the orifice, and out through here. And it deposits the yarn in a really nice, even way when you're spinning a bobbin. And then you just shut it off. Isn't that cool? But the really neat thing about these flyers is you could use the same bobbins that you use for your spinning wheel. So this is a Kromsky Sonata bulky bobbin. But today I wanted to show you how to measure how much yarn in weight-wise that you spun, because I'm still in the testing phase of this. It's just about done. I need to ply on it. But I spun not really knowing how much I put on it because I wanted to see how much would fit. So now I need to know how many ounces I spun, not yards. We'll do that later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bobbin that is exactly the size that I use, an empty bobbin, and I'm going to set it up on the scale, and then I'm going to tear it out, which means make it go to 0, because that will take away the weight of the bobbin from the yarn. So I'm going to take that off and then set this on. This bobbin this holds 10 ounces of fiber, 10 ounces of yarn. And I think if I had thinner yarn, it may compact better, and I may be able to get even more on. But that is a lot of yarn. And hey, listen, oh, check out this ply. Look at how pretty that is. If you're a new spinner and you want to learn how to spin like this, just a consistent, beautiful bobbin that will ply into a beautiful ply, and if you want to know what yarn consistency has to do with plies, just so many different things. What are whorls? What are they used for? Why is there a big one and why is there a little one? Just all sorts of stuff. You will learn all about it in the Kamaj School of Fiber Arts Spinning and Fiber Extravaganza Workshop. And if you join today, you'll start from Lesson 1, Module 1, and just work through until December. But once you're paid off, once the whole class is paid off, you can look at it anytime you like, as long as I am roaming this earth. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how to figure out how much yarn weight-wise you have on a bobbin when you don't know how much you spun. I will put the link below for this flyer, which is pretty fancy. They also have the flyer for the standard Kromsky Sonata and many other wheels on their website, but I was privileged to test out strongly and put it through its paces for the Kromsky Sonata bulky and the standard. All right, you guys have a really great day.
Ooh.